Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix website speed with Wix, full guide step by step clearly. To improve your website speed on Wix, start by accessing your Wix dashboard. Navigate to the settings section in the left sidebar. Click on SEO Google to find tools that enhance your site's performance. Check your site's loading speed using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. This will give you a clear understanding of your current speed performance. Next, review the images on your website. Optimize images by compressing them before uploading. Use formats like JPEG for photos and PNG for graphics with fewer colors. Consider using Wix's built-in image optimization feature. Now, look at your site's design for heavy elements. Evaluate the necessity of each element on your site. Remove any unused apps or features as they can slow down your site. Next, check the number of animations you have on your pages. Limit animations to only those that enhance user experience. Now, examine any third-party apps you have integrated. Remove any apps that are not essential to your site's function. This can greatly improve your loading speed. Next, focus on your site's mobile optimization. Wix allows you to customize the mobile version separately. Ensure that your mobile site is streamlined and user-friendly. Consider enabling lazy loading for images. This way, images will only load as visitors scroll down. Now, look into your site's font choices. Use system fonts to reduce loading times. If custom fonts are necessary, limit the number to a minimum. Finally, run another speed test after making these changes. This will help you see the impact of your optimizations. With consistent adjustments, you can significantly improve your website's speed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.